Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart we've seen a reaction to that support area. The price pushed a little bit higher. This is still, in my interpretation, a three-wave move up, so it's not clearly bullish yet. The trend is up, especially as long as above support, which is now 96 cents to $1.07 here on the micro level. But any break below that would indicate that a top has been struck in this B wave. And we could move down in wave C, which would be a 5-wave pattern, right? These are, however, still the two pathways or roadmaps that are shared in the last video. We are either in wave 5 of circle wave 3, before circle wave 4 starts, that pullback, or circle wave 4 is already unfolding. But in both scenarios, this here serves as key support at 64 cents and is the main support area to keep the overall uptrend that we're also tracking in parallel on the larger time frame that keeps that alive, right? So let's go to the larger time frame chart. This is unchanged. The 64 cent level is main support. That's really key support. You can see here on the daily chart, the price dipped into our support region and is already reversing out of it. But I don't see that yet as all of wave 4. So it's either going to extend more sideways or we come down a little bit if wave 4 has started. But as I said, maybe wave 3 is still extending and then we get wave 4 a little bit later. Either way, that wave 4 is outstanding. It's due as well, but I cannot rule out one more high in wave 3. As I shared with you on the smaller time frame, there are key levels to watch. And if we get one more high, the next upside levels also haven't shifted. They haven't changed. They are defined between $1.42 and $1.72 as next upside levels to watch, possibly for an extension in this third wave. So it's looking good overall for ADA. We're holding support. The bullish structure remains intact overall, and the smaller time frame gives us two pathways. Yeah, first of all, as I said, squiggles higher to complete circle 3, then 4, then 5. That wave 4 support area, however, which is currently obviously located on the 1 hour chart here between 64 cents and 76. It's going to move higher with the price if circle wave 3 pushes higher as well. And so don't think it necessarily has to drop that much after circle wave 3 is complete. The other pathway is that wave B could form a top in this region and we go down and then go up. In both cases, this here will act as key support. And important to understand that we don't have 5 waves yet. So definitely wave 1 could extend from one more high, then we're dealing with a 5-wave move up, which would be more clearly bullish and would reduce the risk that this is a B wave. Okay, so we need to watch for one more high. This pullback is for a possible wave 2. Why do I share that? Even if the move up is only 3 waves, it could be wave 1 of an ending diagonal. We don't know that. So then could be wave 2 already, 3, 4, 5, then it would be a diagonal. With one more high, we would be dealing likely with an upside impulse, which would be more directly bullish. Okay, so that's important. At the moment with a 3-wave move up, which this is, it could also be a B wave. 3-wave rallies do not give us the clarity we'd like to have. With the 5-wave move, we would have more clarity, but certainly no certainties, okay? At the moment, therefore, micro support is 96 cents to $1.07. So any break below 96 cents would suggest that circle wave C to the downside has started. That should give you all the levels to watch. It's important to mention the next micro resistance levels as well. They are defined at $1.22 and $1.27. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.